Trading manually means constant screen time, emotional decisions, and missed opportunities. What is a trading algo? A trading algorithm is software that analyzes markets and executes trades automatically, removing emotion from the equation. Meet SureShotFX Algo, an automated trading system built for precision and discipline. It uses EMA-based trend analysis and ATR volatility control to identify high-probability setups. Then, rule-based logic confirms entry conditions. When conditions align, the algo instantly places trades. No hesitation, no second guessing, just execution. Built-in risk controls include custom stop-loss and take-profit levels, partial close options, loss recovery modes, and a Forex news filter. The algo trades XAUUSD, multiple Forex pairs, and BTCUSD, adapting to the strongest opportunities across markets. Because BTCUSD trades on weekends, the algo can remain operational 24/7, keeping your strategy active around the clock. We provide a free VPS and handle the entire setup for you, so you can start trading without technical headaches. Accuracy figures reflect disciplined, rule-based execution, not guarantees. The algo follows its strategy consistently, trade after trade.